my soul, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, my soul. Praise the Lord, my soul. My soul, my soul, praise the Lord. My soul, my soul, praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me.
Praise the Lord.
Bless his holy name.
My soul.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul,
My soul. My soul.
and forget not all his benefits. My soul,
My soul.
bless the Lord at all times.
Praise the Lord.
Oh, praise the Lord, my soul. Praise the Lord, my soul.
My soul. My soul. My soul. Praise the Lord.
All that is within me, praise his holy name. Yeah.
My soul. Praise the Lord.
Everything within me, praise the Lord. My soul, praise the Lord. When I think of all the goodness of Jesus and all he's done for me, I just want to shout and praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, ye upright. The praise of the righteous is beautiful. Why are you cast down within me, O my soul? I command you, praise the Lord. Hope in the Lord, for he alone is the health of my countenance. The Lord is releasing the garment of praise for every spirit of heaviness. Wherever you are, lift your hands and raise an altar of praise unto Jesus as we declare, say, my soul,
My soul.
my soul, my soul. Somebody ought to tell yourself, say, my soul, my soul, my soul. Hey, when I think about all you've done, I just want to praise you. I just want to worship. All that is within me, all that is within me. Praise the Lord, my soul. Praise the Lord, my soul. Praise the Lord. He is the head of my countenance, my soul. Hey, everybody lift your hands up. Praise the Lord. Come on, Akopatania Namaya. Praise the Lord. Hey, Kumania Kotoya. My soul. I shall make my boast in the Lord, for he alone is my location. I brought the incense of worship. I brought the incense of worship. Everything within me. Praise the Lord. My soul. I must praise you. Every fiber of my being. Every breath in my lungs, I'll declare your goodness in the land of the living. I'll declare your glory in the land of the living. Praise the Lord in the midst of anything. Praise the Lord in the midst of everything. My soul, my soul, praise the Lord. My soul must praise the Lord.